money making mollies, triple M. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Some real warriors. Free Eli. Free slugs. Free the hood, CLE, nigga. Down bottom up top.
Triple M. Don't get buggy, huh?
Free the man, Johnny, Eloy, man. I see all my niggas, man. Gang. Molly gang. Gang, gang. Hell yeah. Some triple M. Ride around the city, it's a movie. Ride through the city with some groovy. In a foreign, niggas want my head, I keep this toolie. Real niggas, I don't fuck with goofies. Never that. Ride around the city, it's a movie. Ride through the city with some groovy. In a foreign, bitch, niggas want my head, I keep this toolie. How about real niggas, I don't fuck with goofies. You know that. I'm dropping tracks now, so you must know my name. Frenchie, bitch. I'm in the game, balling like LeBron James. Can't stop me. My shooters don't miss. They got the sickest aim. Bang, bang. Frenchie, who? Who the fuck you trying to claim? They wanna hang with me cause I got all the fame. I slapped it down, only reason why I came. I lost a lot of bros and that's a fucking shame. Got me insane, I see her up on shots and brain. I'm in the lane with a foreign bitch from Spain. Money making Molly is my campaign. Triple M, got your main bitch and she just ran a train. Seize your main, racks on racks, bitch, I can make it rain. Hell yeah.